This egg-shaped unit provides a way to go anywhere on Earth while enjoying hotel-style luxury. It's designed to take up minimal space while offering maximum storage room.
Filozofia je veľmi jednoduchá, je to nezávislé bývanie v prírode.
The philosophy of this object is very simple: independent living in nature, something like the pioneers in America who used to go far away and live off the grid. This is free living without any permanent connection.
The capsule is equipped with a sophisticated energy system, accessing wind and solar power when available and storing surplus capacity in batteries.
Najväčšia výhoda je taká psychická, je to sloboda.
The main advantage of this type of living is freedom. You can live wherever you want. You don't have to pay bills for living, and you can stay amid nature. This capsule runs entirely on electrical energy. Above us is a wind turbine. On the roof there are solar panels. These are the two electric energy sources which are fully sufficient for a whole year of the capsule's operation.
The rounded design of the unit, with high-performance thermal insulation in the walls, minimizes energy losses. Meanwhile, the unit collects rainwater and morning dew, and membrane water filters installed in the sides are devised to remove 99.99% of bacteria and render any natural water source suitable for drinking.
Solárne panely sú použité klasických rozmerov 12,5 na 12,5.
We use the classic 12.5 cm square solar panels. One panel gives about half of a volt. We have 288 of them placed on the roof, which are connected in a serial parallel way, gives about 600 watts. This output, together with about 740 watts from the wind propeller, ensures self-sufficiency of the EcoCapsule energy system.
Sustainability is not the only selling point of the capsule. Fitting into a standard shipping container, it can also be transported globally with low shipping fees. For those who like the project but want to bring their cars along for the ride, the unit can be extended via additional undercarriage to become a fully functioning caravan. Abdiel Leroy, CCTV.